Hi, I'm Teresa, and this is Celebration Elevation. And today I'm going to be showing you how I would set my Easter table. And I have a lot of fun things to show you. Right now it's March 30th, 2022, and we have a giveaway going on until April 3rd, 2022. If you're watching between those dates, head over to my Instagram at celebration_elevation and you can enter to win. And so I'm going to show you some of the things that you can win in that contest. We're going to start with the table settings. Okay, so you can see what I have right here. I have a placemat, which by the way is in the giveaway. And then I have it set with one plate on a charger. So I don't know if you know what a charger is, but these are just light, cheap chargers that I got at Dollar Tree. And you just put, this isn't to eat on, this is just for decoration. So you can put your plates on those, and it's just a little added something. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with this. Then we have the silverware over on the side, and I have a main fork and I have the salad fork. You always want to put your silverware so that you're eating, so that you have them in the order that you're eating. So for instance, you would eat a salad first, so that's on the outside, and then the main fork is here. And then I just have a knife. I don't have a spoon on here because I'm not serving like soup or anything, so you can just have a knife. I also have two glasses. I have a water glass and I have a wine glass. Now I'm going to show you what it would look like without the charger. It's just as pretty, so if you don't have a charger, that's okay too. So we have just the plate, and then I put another plate on top if you want it for like salad or something in the beginning. And again, you can just have your single dinner plate, which is totally fine. Right now, as you can see, I have it set for 4 place settings, but the contest will give you, if you're the winner, you will get 6 placemats and 6 of the cotton napkins. So I'm going to show you what else I have on the table. Some flowers here. I just used a mason jar because I don't like to have the flowers too tall, and that's absolutely the right height for the flowers, I think. And then we have 2 candles. These candlesticks and the candles are actually on the giveaway. Then I have some other things that are just decorative, and these little bunnies here are all in the giveaway as well. They're so cute. They're ceramic bunnies, and I think they're adorable. And then I have I'm just showing you some other things that I have on the table, which are, for instance, this little deviled egg plate, which is so cute. This my mom gave me. So it's a good time to put out like special plates and bowls and that type of thing. And as you can see over here, I have another really pretty bowl that I could put like a salad in. Here I'm just using a cake plate to put another decorative item on. This is actually a candy dish, and I put a few of our eggs in here. These are from our chickens, so you can see they're different colors. So I have brown and sort of a pink and a green, so I put those on there. And then also I forgot to mention the table runner. So this table runner is part of the giveaway. So cute, Easter colors, spring colors. None of these things you have to use for Easter. I guess the bunnies maybe, but the rest you could use anytime you like. And for the runner, I have a ginormous dining room table. So you can just put the runner wherever you want in the middle of the table, and it just looks nice to put, you know, some of your decorative items on in the center of your table. So now we're going to move on. I'm going to show you about the napkins. I just want to show you the napkins. These are part of the winning. Whoever wins the contest will get 6 of these napkins, which are really pretty lavender cotton napkins. So there's a couple different ways you could put these at your place setting. One easy way is to just grab it in the middle like I just did. So it's just grabbed in the middle, and you can, first of all, you can just lay it like this if you wanted to, or if you have napkin holders. And I want to show you a couple great ideas for napkin holders. Napkin holders can be really expensive, and so I bought these hair ties and just off Amazon, and they're elastic, and these make great napkin rings. So as you can see, it looks really pretty. I thought that looked really cute. So that's one way you can do it. Another cute idea is these hair ties, because these ones look like these are bunny ears. And so if you put these on your napkins, you have little bunny ears. That's super cute too. Another thing I want to show you is for place settings, if you want to do place cards but not use cards, a really cute idea is to take, you could take your Easter eggs, you could dye them whatever color. This, like I said, is just natural. It's called an olive egger, and she laid this. It's olive colored green. So you could take a Sharpie, like a metallic Sharpie, and for instance, I'll put my husband's name on here, Sam, and actually I think it would probably look better on a color that's not so similar. So let me do it on this pinkish brown color. Yes, this looks much better. So as you can see, and you could just tuck that on top of the napkin, and you can set that for where you want people to sit, which I thought was really cute. So now I'm going to show you, the last trick I'm going to show you is how to fold these napkins into a bunny shape. Okay, I've been practicing, so we're going to try to get through this without me making a huge mistake. Okay, so now we're going to make our Easter bunny out of the cloth napkin. And so hopefully I've got this so you can see it well. Okay, so we're going to fold down the top. So we're folding it in half this way and just make the bottoms even, your corners, and then just press it with your hands. And then fold it down again toward you like this. Press it again with your hands. Now you're going to fold the two sides down and make them even on the bottom here. So they're gonna meet in the middle, but they're gonna be even on the bottom. And then you're gonna fold the bottoms up to make it like a diamond shape. So just like that, or a square. Okay. And then you're gonna fold fold in again, inward, to make it like this. And then we're gonna flip it over. So now you're starting to see the bunny ears forming. Okay, and then you're gonna fold the bottom up like this. And then turn it over. And then this is the hardest part to me. So, because it's so thick, but you want to take, it's like this, you want to take one side of it and fold it into, see what I'm doing? Fold it into the other side. So there's kind of like a little pocket. You're just going to keep kind of forcing the fabric in there. See what I'm doing? Just kind of pushing it in there. And then, when it kind of is in there pretty good, then you're going to turn it back over, and now you're going to kind of form it. So, you see, these are the ears, and this is the front of it. So, you've got the ears, and then you can take one of the ears and kind of bend it over if you want. And then you can set these on people's plates, and it looks like a little bunny on the plate. So now I'm just going to wrap this up and show you the final product on our table. Okay guys, I just want to give you a final look at this. Also, I want to remind you, if you like this video, my other videos, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and comment anything below if you have any questions or comments. So this is my final table here. I think it looks really pretty and Eastery, and I hope you guys have a great Easter, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So hopefully I will see you back here next time. Thanks guys.